Nimbus is a really unique setup. These boats can be used for a few different things that'll really make your time underwater enjoyable. They're fantastic cruising vessels. They're hull designed with the air step. They give you a different feel on the water, more akin to like a sports car. The sharp keel in the front really carves through the water. It's a really unique feel. I was very impressed of the few times I've been on these. They're great for families. They're great for day boating. You have the ability to overnight. So if you got young kids, there's a cabin you can change. They can get out of the sun. So you kind of got a bunch of different things you can do. There's some versatility to them, but I think the ride, the experience, the build quality, the touch, the feel of the vessel is just very, very superior and far above a lot of the competitors. So I'm here on top of the Nimbus W9. Probably one of my favorite vessels to run. There's just such a unique feel to it. So many things that just make it a little bit above the rest. One of the things is obviously the platform here. Walking through it, you can access both sides. There's a nice cover to all your cabling, things like that, so you can really still use the platform on the vessel, even though you still have your outboard here. Sticks out a little bit further, and if you'll notice on the side here, just the way the ladder's really put together. It's beefy, it's holding on. It's not one of those rinky-dink ones that you pull out and you're moving and shaking. This is a hefty, heavy-duty ladder there. Everything about this boat just screams quality. The cleats here, they're infused to the hull, and as well as the grab bars, everything there is just above and beyond, you know, built strong. You're gonna really notice the difference when you get on and touch it. A couple of the cool factors that they do is they even fiberglass in their hinges, so things like that. So it's just a little bit of a touch of class, a touch of quality on these vessels. Obviously, you'll have your shower in the back here, so you can rinse off the salt water. There's deck lights. This boat happens to have the flexi teak. No maintenance, but it gives it that real luxurious look to the vessel. All right, so in the cockpit of the W9, you're gonna notice a few things. Really heavy-duty structure to the vessel. The nice, strong hardtop. This one happens to have the retractable sunroof here. So if you want the shade, you close it. You want a little bit more of the experience of the sun, you open it up. It kind of gives you some more versatility that way. The nice L-shaped seating with the corner piece here. Everybody's social. Your family can sit and hang out. The kids, everybody can have dinner, lunch. The table folds in and out of the way. So you can, you know, expand your needs for, you know, drinks, cups, water, people sitting down. But just the overall quality, the feel of this vessel, you're in here. The seating material, it's not your typical leather that you see on a lot of these other boats that look fancy and all that. This is a very unique material, but for me as a boater, I would love this. This is super easy to clean. You could tell it's durable. You could tell it's gonna last. Nice firm cushions. They're not soft, they're not weak. Really, really well built, even to the dynamics of the cushions and the way it's set up. Over here on the side, this gives you access to more of your, you know, entertainment space where you want your friends and family to come. You have your sink, hot and cold water. You can put on some coffee. You can cook some hamburgers on the pan there. Even to the garbage can, it's connected, so you have easy access there. Beautiful drawer spaces. They even finish them all spots for your cups, glass siding, just really high quality. They close on their own. Nice fridge freezer combo here, so you can access everything here at your galley. One of the other cool things about Nimbuses is you'll notice the isinglass. They give it to you on this vessel, and it can enclose the whole rear. This isinglass is probably one of the most easiest isinglass I've ever worked with. You can leave it zipped in, and it just folds up, and you see these little ties here. You just clip them up so you can have all the wind, all the access to the elements. But when you get rain or something like that, colder day, drop it down, zip it back in. Takes seconds to do, super simple. Coming over to the helm here, they gave a nice sports car design to this boat. So when you're in this, you're gonna feel like you're in this boat. You're gonna be sitting down. I know, think of your Porsche, something like that, a nice Audi. The way this vessel is set up, you're gonna have total control. I feel like I'm stuck to the seat. So the hard maneuvers, hard turning, speed, wakes, I know I'm gonna be safe and feel comfortable in this seat. Zip wake system, very, very fantastic system. It works instantaneously. So with the hull design on this vessel, it's gonna keep your boat little to no lift in the nose. So you're gonna have visibility the whole entire time that you're taking off, accelerating with the boat. Bow thrusters right here, single throttle, your Mercury engine readouts, your SIMRAD, speakers, lights everywhere. I mean, the boat just feels like something you wanna drive, something you wanna take on the water. You want the kids and the wife to be laughing in the back as you're doing 50 miles an hour, cruising and cutting this boat around. This is what you want to be on. Another cool thing about the Nimbus is even though you have all this fantastic space for your family, that sports car feel, that luxury feel, you got a cabin on this boat. It's a 30-foot vessel, so you still can come downstairs. Beautiful cabinetry. I'm 6'1", almost 6'2". This is a very ample, large space for the vessel. I still have tons of room, so me and my wife, we could hang out down here, sleep for the weekend. Beautiful finished leather tops, nice smooth lighting, soft suede sides. This is all natural teak. It's a real classy vessel. Natural light will come in, space-wise, little pocket holders, reading lights. I'd be okay for a weekend, maybe 2 down here. This is definitely a spot I would hang out with. Too hot, I was in the sun all day, I want to get a quick nap. You might find me down here. The other plus to this is your head. So you have a fully functional hot and cold water bathroom, so you don't have to go pull into the dock. You can do everything right here on the water. You want to throw an anchor out, stay overnight, you're gonna be good to go. Another great thing about the Nimbus here is the walkway. 2 feet wide, it's easy to scale, easy to come up here. You can really walk to the front and then you can access everything. Beautiful sun pad in the front. Again, your cleats, your anchor setups here, huge deep anchor locker. Through hull design, so you can put it away if you need to, protect it from the elements. But this nice bed up here, you're allowed to be up here underway. This boat is yacht certified, so I wouldn't be up here doing 60 miles an hour, but 30 on a nice calm day, I might be up here while somebody else is driving. It's a really cool boat, and you can access the other side here, going down the sides. There's grab rails everywhere. I mean, fantastic setup. Another huge plus, which I don't know why more companies don't do this. One, you got dual wipers, but if you'll notice, you actually have wiper fluid. You get a splash of salt water on here sometimes. You're looking through a cloud the whole entire day. You'll have $1 million boats where you do one wiper, your wiper, you can't see. This is a huge plus. So that really makes the experience even better as well on the boat. So that was a quick walkthrough of the Nimbus W9. I really think you should come get this boat on the water. Come check it out at Clark's Landing. Again, I'm Patrick Mooney. Give us a call. I'll tour you on the boat yourself. Come touch it, feel it. We look forward to meeting you. Thanks.